Hello there everyone, my name is Negi and I welcome you all to my channel. In this video of PTC Creo, we're going to be talking about Creo Extrude with embedded sketch. Let's get started. So first thing we need to do is we're going to create a part. So click on new, then part, then we can give a file name. Let's say for example my first part or second part, because this is our second video on Creo Extrude. And as we know, we cannot provide space in between the two words, so I'm going to use underscore. And I'm going to uncheck my default template here because I'm going to choose MMKS. Now as you can see on the left hand side, we have got 3 datum planes with the coordinate system. In my last video, I told you like how we can create extrude feature with an external sketch. Now we're gonna see extrude with embedded sketch. For that, you need to click on extrude. Now you can select any datum plane, and if you have got any kind of confusion like which one is your front datum or top datum, then you can use the model tree. And for example, I'm gonna create sketch in front plane, so I'm gonna choose front here, and then click on sketch view. Now you can see the sketching plane parallel to the screen. Draw your entity. Constrain it or provide dimension as per your requirement, and then click OK. Now we can provide the height to this model, for example 150, then click OK. In this type of extrude, we haven't taken any external sketch as a reference or as a parent, and we have created sketch inside our extrude. As you can see here in model tree, our section or our sketch is inside the extrude. So this is another way of creating extrude, like it's a kind of embedded inside our extrude tool. In our next video, we're going to be talking about different form of extrudes, and we will see a lot more. That's all guys for this video. Thank you and bye bye.